Hello students, here's a preview of lesson 1.16.2, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. This is a very important lesson because it builds on your English listening comprehension as well as your reading comprehension. So, here's what you need to do. For part 1, you need to watch the video, read the text below, and translate it into your primary language and read it in your primary language. Part 2, the same thing. You watch the video, read the text below in English, then you translate it into your primary language. For part 3, you read the text, you watch the video, you read the text in English, and then you translate it into your primary language. And at the end, if you wish, you can write about what you learned, put your name, put your email, and click post comment to share your knowledge with the rest of the class. Thank you very much for working so hard. Please do your best with lesson 1.16.2, and I'll see you soon.